Hello and welcome back. Adding a watermark to your document can be a good way to personalize or label it as your own. Unfortunately, Google Docs doesn't offer a built-in way to do this, but there is a workaround you can try instead. You can usually access a limited version of this tool in Google Docs by pressing Insert, Drawing, New Drawing, but this won't allow you to change the transparency of your image. Instead, you'll need to create it using the full Google Drawings tool. Here's how to create a watermark image using Google Drawing. Open Drive, start a new drawing by clicking New, More, then select Google Drawing. So we have a blank canvas over here. We'll go to Insert and select Image. Add your logo or any other image you wish to use as a watermark. Resize and center the image, or place it wherever you want it to be. Go to Format Options and select Adjustments. Increase the transparency, just so your text would be visible over the image. A level of 50% or higher should be acceptable. Once you're done, add a name to your drawing in the Untitled Drawings box in the top left. There you go, your drawing will be saved automatically to your Google Drive storage. So to add your text, create a text box and place it over the image. Insert the text of your document. Okay, so we have put our text here now in our document. So to put everything in Google Docs, we'll start a new document. Click Insert. This time we'll click Drawing from Drive. So you will get the watermark you saved earlier. You see, this is the watermark I made earlier. We'll click this. When you click Select, there will be an option window here to choose whether you want to keep the drawing linked to the original or if you want to unlink it. You will be able to edit the text if you link to source, which is from the Google Drawing. We will just insert this first. There it is. So, to edit, just open Link Drawing Options, top right of the drawing, here, and select Open Source. You will be prompted back to Google Drawing. You can then edit the text box icon here. When you're done editing, return to Doc and click Update. You can see here that the changes made to Google Drawing was applied to your doc. Maybe you're thinking, why can't I just paste the watermark and type the text directly on Docs? Unfortunately, Google Docs doesn't allow you to place the drawing behind any text. If you want the text to overlay your drawing, you'll need to add this to your drawing using a text box directly before you insert it. If you want your watermark drawing to apply to all of your pages without disrupting your text, you'll need to add it to your header or footer. How do you do that? Click the video above to watch the process on how to add headers and footers in Google Docs. Alternatively, you can add text to your background image in Google Drawing. Click on the text box icon in the menu bar. Using your mouse, drag and drop to create a text box on the drawing canvas. Once released, the blinking cursor will appear, allowing you to type or paste in the text. Once you've added your watermark text, select it, then format it using the options in the menu bar. Edit the text as you want it to be. You can rotate, resize, or change font. As there are no transparency options for text in Google Drawings, you'll need to choose a lighter text color. For instance, gray, in this case, the 5th or 6th option in the text color, to apply a similar effect. And there you have it! Again, the file is automatically saved to your Google Drive and is now ready to insert to your Google Doc. That's it! If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you find this video useful, subscribe for more Google Drive tips and tricks. Thank you and see you on our next video.